Spanish ribs, the Garces way. In 2017, we opened a Basque-inspired restaurant in New York City called Ortzi. Ortzi highlights a slow cooking style technique sprinkled with Spanish flavor. And to get the best flavor, you need the best ingredients. That's why I'm using Smithfield Prime fresh pork. I start with the rub, a nice coating of brown sugar, coriander, fennel seed, black pepper, chili flakes, Spanish paprika, and mustard powder. I'll wrap the ribs in tinfoil and let them bake for about 4 to 5 hours. While I'm waiting, I'm gonna prep the glaze. I'll add honey, sherry vinegar, corn syrup, Tabasco, the shallots, Spanish paprika, and red chili flakes. So it's been a couple hours. I'll take the ribs out and let them steam and set up for about an hour. After that, we coat them in a chili glaze and put them back on a baking sheet for 5 minutes at 400 degrees. And that's it, we're ready to serve. I'll cut the ribs and I'll serve them with our guindilla cabbage slaw. And there you have it, Spanish ribs, the Garces way. Buen provecho. For more great recipes and ideas, visit smithfield.com.